गुड मॉर्निंग विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. आज पाहणार आहोत आपण MCQ फॉर BCom सेकंड सेमिस्टर थर्ड सब्जेक्ट ITB. म्हणजे आपण ITB या विषयाचे MCQ पाहणार आहोत आता. तर पाहूया लगेच. पहिला आहे द फंक्शन सम फॉल इनटू द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप्स. A टेक्स्ट फंक्शन, B फायनान्शियल फंक्शन, C डेट एंड टाइम फंक्शन, D math and trig function. The right answer is math and trig function. Then next second, workbook are basically in bracket worksheet at a time. A1, B2, C3, D4. Right answer is 3. Third number question, database means A draw conclusions from information, A B consist information, C classify information, D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Fourth number question, data can be a format कोणता असेल? अल्फाबेटिकल, B मैथमेटिकल, C फिगर, D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. डेटा हा कसाही असू शकते. 5 number, the option is used to organize the text in the cell. A border, B pattern, C alignment, D none of these. The right answer is alignments, C. नंतर 6 number question, none of the following is a part of the graph. A sources data, B chart title, C legend, D clip art. The right answer is D clip art. 7 number, rows are represented by in bracket in an Excel worksheet. A letters, B numbers, C letters and numbers, D of the above. All of the above. Of the above. क्यों all of the above? The right answer is B number. B numbers. 8 number, the data warehouse is called A electronic storage of information, B storage of information for manual, C archive of information for electronics and manuals, and D none of these. The right answer is A electronic storage of information. 9 number, in bracket this is raw material. A data, B database, C DBMS, D RDBMS. The right answer is A data. 10 number question, not a bracket part of the data processing cycle. A input, B output, C network, D processing. The right answer is C network. 11 number, data means A preliminary facts, B information, C preliminary facts and information, D none of these. The right answer is A preliminary facts. 12th number, one of the following system is used to manage scattered data. A. Information system, B. Management system, C. Computer system, D. Network system. The right answer is B number, management system. 30 number, processing data with the help of computer is called. A. Data processing, B. Information technology, C. Classification of data, D. Analysis of data. The right answer is A number, data processing. 14 number question, converting the available facts into a table means. A. Database, B. Data, C. Data processing, D. Data warehouse. The right answer is database, A number, database. 15 number bracket, this is not a feature of data warehouse. A. Subject wise layout, B. Integration, C. Unstable, D. Showing chart over time. D number, showing change over time. The right answer is unstable. 60 number, in DBMS bracket, modern method is used. A. Listing, B. Recovery, C. Queries, D. All of the above. The right answer is D number, all of the above. 70 number, the database management system does not have one of the following features. A. Archive data, B. Security, C. Consistency in data, and D. Increase beyond availability. The right answer is D number, increase beyond availability. 18 number question, the hierarchical model has been discovered by one of the following. A. IBM, B. Microsoft, C. E.F. Codo, C-O-D-O, D. Apple. The right answer is A. IBM. 19 number question, DBMS is the mediator between A number, application and hardware, B number, application and data, C. application and software, D. none of the above. The right answer is B number, application and data. 20 number question, in bracket, is not a component of DBMS. A. hardware, B. software, C. data, D. email. The right answer is D number, email. 21, the spreadsheet contains, in bracket, A number, columns only, lines only, C. columns and line, D. none of the above. The right answer is C number, columns and lines. 22 number, the syntax of now function is, bracket, first A. only now, B. now plus double bracket 2 times bracket. C number now and bracket, and D none of the above. The right answer is C now single bracket. 23. The formula max म्हणजे maximum in MS Excel is used to calculate A number average, B number maximum, C number minimum, D number none of the above. The right answer is B number maximum. 24 number, any formula in MS Excel starts with is A number less than, B greater than, C negative, D equal to. The right answer is D equal to. 25. The using of data mining, A trade, B science and research, C government offices, D all of the above. The right answer is D all of the above. तर लक्षात आलं असेल आपल्याला सर्व क्वेश्चन. अडचण आले डबल पहा आणि एक्झामसाठी बेस्ट ऑफ लक. ठीक आहे. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ. सबस्क्राईब अँड शेअर फॉर फ्युचर अपडेट्स. थँक्यू.